the respondents.
Yes.
It's not true, because the entire state, up to the highest level, if you, my Lord, denies us that footage, then we cannot be able to make robust submissions, especially in the face of refusal by the duty bearers to come to the court and say, this is what is happening.
As much as my Lord has given leeway, dispensing the fact that the Inspector General of Police and the head of DCI should not physically attend, we still do not have answers, and the duty bearers have failed to produce the two petitioners before this honorable court. My Lord, the only way to ensure the safety of these two petitioners, where their current whereabouts are unknown, is that we must hold the duty bearers accountable.
Yes.
They have access to public resources, and they cannot come and tell this honorable court that they do not know.